Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Carnival Cruise Line is monitoring Tropical Storm Francine's impact on its Gulf of Mexico operations. Now, at the time of broadcast, the Port of New Orleans remains closed, impacting the Carnival Valor's return from a 5-night Caribbean cruise. Also, its next cruise, which is supposed to leave today. Now, the ship was scheduled to arrive this morning, but as of 6 o'clock, she is still in the Gulf of Mexico awaiting clearance. Once she arrives at the mouth of the Mississippi River, it still takes around 8 hours to transit up to New Orleans. Carnival says there will be an update by 10 o'clock this morning. The Mississippi River is approximately 95 miles from the mouth up to the Port of New Orleans and cannot be reopened until assessed by the U.S. Coast Guard. And saved by the bailout, Germany's Meyer Werft shipyard has secured a financial lifeline from both federal and state governments. The federal government will acquire a 40% stake for $200 million, with Lower Saxony also taking a 40% share. To support this, loan guarantees up to 2.6 billion euro are also being pursued, with the two governments covering 80% and the banks handling the rest. Despite its financial troubles, Meyer Werft shipyard has a full order book ahead, including 10 different cruise ships, including new contracts with Disney Cruise Line. They most recently built Carnival Jubilee. And we turn now to Central Florida, where Carnival Vista is undergoing propulsion repairs at Port Canaveral. Now, Carnival's brand ambassador, John Heald, that engineers are making good progress, and the ship is expected to be ready for its 6-night Eastern Caribbean voyage this weekend. And cruise line stocks were all up on Wednesday. Carnival Corporation up 2.5%, 16.54. Royal Caribbean up 2.4, 162.15. Norwegian up 5.2, 18.70. And Viking up 1%, 31.54. This week's podcast, a review of Carnival Vista's last sailing before the dry dock, or repairs, I should say, at cruiseradio.net. And if you have a lead on a story, let me know. Tips at cruiseradio.net. Have yourself a great Thursday. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.